Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage Google passwords on Honor 200 Pro. First go to Settings, then scroll down to Google. Now click on All Services, Autofill with Google, and click on Google Password Manager. Here you can view all of your saved passwords to different apps and websites. You can add a password to another site or app. You can enter a site or select an app. I'm gonna select an app. TikTok. Enter the username you're currently using for the app. And enter the password. Now press on Save, and this will allow you to automatically log in to your TikTok account. Here your TikTok has appeared. You can also remove some passwords from here, edit them or view them. To do it, just click on a site you want to view, edit or delete. For example, Facebook. Now enter your screen lock by pressing on enter your screen lock, or touch the fingerprint. I'm gonna touch it. And now you can view your login as well as password. If you want to view the password, click on the eye icon here, and this will show you the password. You can click on edit to edit it, or click on delete to delete it. I'm gonna click on delete and delete again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.